ഹായ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ലെറ്റ്സ് ലേൺ ടുഗെദർ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്കിൻ്റെ എക്സാമിന് ബാങ്കിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇത് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ്. 1960/2020 ഇതിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഡാഷ് ബാങ്ക്സ് ആർ റിക്വയർഡ് ടു മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ CRR with Reserve Bank of India. Option A, State Cooperative Bank. B, Urban Cooperative Bank. C, District Cooperative Bank. D, Scheduled Cooperative Bank. Answer option D, Scheduled Cooperative Banks. What portion of the demand and time liability of a bank can lend by way of loans and advances? Option A, after meeting the statutory liquidity ratio. B, after meeting the cash reserve ratio. C, after deducting the demand portion of the deposit. C, after meeting the statutory liquidity ratio and cash reserve ratio. Answer option D, after meeting the statutory liquidity ratio and cash reserve ratio. How many scheduled district cooperative banks are there in India? Option A, 34. B, 45. C, 24. D, none. Answer option D, none. Those banks which are listed in the second schedule of Dash are called scheduled banks. Option A, BR Act. B, RBI Act. C, NABARD Act. D, NI Act. Answer option B, RBI Act. The Banking Companies Act was renamed as Banking Regulation Act in option A, 1966, option B, 1965, option C, 1952, option D, 1949. Answer option A, 1966. All agricultural loans are treated as fully secured as the same are disbursed against option A, security of standing crop. B, charge on land. C, personal surety. D, none of the above. Answer option B, charge on land. Which of the following is not applicable to loss asset? Option A, decree has been time barred. B, documents are lost. C, borrower left the area of operation and whereabouts not known. D, gestation period is over. Answer option D ആണ്. Gestation period as over. Recommended introduction of prudential norms including CRAR to PACS. Option A, Rakesh Mohan Committee. B, Narasimham Committee. C, Task Force on Revival of Rural Cooperative Credit Institutions. D, Vyas Committee. Answer option C, Task Force on Revival of Rural Cooperative Credit Institutions. Dash rate is the rate at which RBI accept deposit from banks. Option A, bank. B, repo. C, reverse repo. D, reserve. Answer option C, reverse repo. Dash relate to short-term resources and short-term commitments. Option A, quick asset ratio. B, current ratio. C, asset test ratio. D, debt equity ratio. Answer option B, current ratio. The headquarters of IFCI is at option A, Mumbai. B, Calcutta. C, New Delhi. D, none of these. Answer option C, New Delhi. Dash is the apex institution of the field of industrial credit. Option A, ICICI. Option B, IDBI. C, HDFC. D, none of these. Answer option B, IDBI. The electronic image of paper check is known as option A, truncated check. B, specimen check. C, MICR check. D, none of these. Answer option A, truncated check. A non-negotiable crossing restrict dash of the check. Option A, transferability. B, negotiability. C, presentation. D, none of these. Answer option B, negotiability. Garnishee order is issued by option A, Ombudsman, B, Criminal Court, C, Civil Court, D, none of these. Answer option C, Civil Court. Money market is controlled and regulated by option A, CSEB, B, Clearinghouse, C, RBI, D, none of these. Answer option C, RBI. A bank should not open an account in the name of option A, minor, B, married woman, C, undischarged insolvent, D, none of these. Answer option C, undischarged insolvent. Cash deposit by customer is dash deposit. Option A, derivative, B, primary, C, secondary, D, none of these. Answer option B, primary. If there is economic deflation, bank rate will be option A, increased, B, kept intact, C, lowered, D, none of these. Answer option C, lowered. Generally, bridge loan are issued by option A, development bank, C, central bank, B, central bank, C, mortgage bank, D, none of these. Answer option D, none of these. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ബാങ്കിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ചാനലൊന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.